push the limits to the end, raise his edge, go and get it. Trailblazing to the unknown, sweat dripping, I'm in the zone. Born forged out of fire, I'll take it up higher.
Welcome to this lovely welcoming night. At the same time, special dinner party for each and every one of you as we're gonna have, starting this evening, the South Luzon Regional Housing Conference brought to you by Creba, a home for every Filipino.
With the heart of a lion, I got the passion. Power's pumping through my bloodstream. I bring the fire, the intensity. If you want a legend, I got the passion. I got the passion. Going fast, hyperspeed, full throttle. Go beyond till it breaks lightning in the bottle.
It is my great honor to officially welcome you all to Day 2 of the South Luzon Regional Housing Conference.
Dragon flames I'm breathing, maximum adrenaline, dynamo. Whoa, it's in my blood, pump it up, watch me go. I got the passion. I got the passion. I got the passion.
Sa ngayon po, ang pakikinabangan nila yung tungkol sa housing, kung paano magkabahay yung mga tao at matulungan namin ang mga LGU na magkabahay. Kaya ang mga topic ngayon ay tungkol sa sa pabahay kasi ang ng Creba ay home for every Filipino.
Good morning to everyone. We're now here at Seda Nubali. We have the welcome dinner last night and today the all-day conference of Creba South Luzon Regional Housing Conference.
This afternoon, we will hear from our partners in government who are driving the programs that shape our work. This afternoon, we will hear from Pag-ibig Fund, the financing lifeline that turns dreams of home ownership into reality. Together, we will show that our mission is not just to build houses, but to build hope, progress, and opportunity for every Filipino.
At this point, I'd like also to extend my deepest thanks and appreciation to all those who participated in this particular activity. Thank you, and again, good luck and more power to Creba Laguna Chapter.
So all who attended our affairs, our guests, our friends, to all of you, it's a very good morning. We thank everybody being present today. They are here, contributed so much to the success of this affair. Thank you very much to all.
May today be a day of learning, inspiration, and renewed commitment to our shared mission. Together, let us continue to shape the future of housing in South Luzon for progress, for growth, and for every Filipino family who dreams a home.
Mabuhay po ang Creba, Laguna, at mabuhay po kayong lahat.
A pleasant morning to all of you. It is with great honor and deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you all to this regional housing conference of South Luzon. Together, let us charge the growth and secure future of Philippine real estate and housing stronger. Maraming salamat and congratulations to all.
We are also honored to be joined today by our fellow Crebas from other chapters across the country, from north to south, whose continuous support strengthen and inspire our organization, the Chamber of Real Estate and Builders Association. Sa inyong lahat, mula sa puso, ang Creba Laguna ay taus-puso nagpapasalamat. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po ang Creba.